Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have another process video for you guys. Today is another page kit for my How to Kill a Kit with Style May 2019 kit. And if you guys didn't see, I did do a kit share on May 1st, so you guys can check that out in the May 2019 playlist down below so you guys can understand sort of the setup I had going on this month. So I have 3 papers in this page kit, this yellow one from Maggie Holmes Bloom, the floral from a DCWV paper stack, and then the marble paper, which is by Colorbach. And this is, I believe, was the second layout I made with this kit. I am sharing them a little bit out of order due to design team projects and stuff, but I believe this was the second one I made with my kit, so I still had a ton of die cuts to choose from. And so you saw me pull out some there. I think that's a good first step when you're trying to plan out your page, is to get like die cuts ready, your papers ready, because if you're not working with a sketch, it's sometimes hard to come up with a design. But I would recommend sketches, and if you guys are looking for more sketches, I do release sketches over on my Patreon. Usually it's 10 at a time, once a month, every other month-ish. I've been doing them as the printable for the month, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely check it out, link down below. But this beautiful marble paper I definitely wanted to showcase. So what I end up doing is this sort of, offset border. So I'm going to cut the yellow paper down quite a bit. I think it's ½ inch off each side, or 2 sides rather, so that we have a big border there on the left. Now I will say I've scrapbooked a lot with this kit already. I'm just finally getting to the voiceovers, and I will say that this sort of theme comes back a couple times throughout my kit, so I hope you guys don't mind this sort of layout structure. So while I really adored the floral paper and wanted to make it a prominent piece of my layout, I didn't want it to be the largest piece because it is quite busy. And I don't think I mentioned this photo is from a Maine trip we took back in 2014. I think this is one of the first pictures I've scrapbooked of it. I'm not sure I'm going to talk about how it's in Maine or if it's just about that we're together. I didn't get many of these photos printed yet because they're actually on my old computer. This one just happened to be on my phone, so I could print it more easily. So I think this is just going to be a normal layout talking about us being together rather than the trip itself. I do go outside my kit because I see in the corner of my eye these chipboard thickers. I don't know if they ever made a ton of these, but these are 12 by 12 chipboard strips. Chipboard strips is very difficult to say. And there were 8 strips and I'm down to 4, and I do find one that works well on this layout. So now I'm just going to layer my photo onto some different colors here. And then I realized I think I'm going to gut my paper a little bit. I don't really have this color much in my page kits, so I'm going to gut the paper a little bit, not like I normally do, but just a little bit here. And then I'm going to use that as a layer with my photos as well, because I think it'll just make the layout a little bit more cohesive with that mauve maroon. What color is that? It's like a plum, but not that dark. Raspberry? Is it a raspberry? Let's go with raspberry. And then I also pull in some more blues, because if you can tell on that floral pattern paper, there are blue flowers on it, and I thought this Echo Park striped paper would help bring in that blue. And then you're sort of getting this raspberry, blue raspberry vibe, like very candy-esque vibes from this color scheme, at least for me, which is weird because I always hated blue raspberry candies. And what is a blue raspberry anyway? These are the questions, people. And then I did pull out a doily, which I didn't mention already, and then here's the chipboard I did mention. There's only one of these in the set, so I'm going to put it down the left-hand side. And then ideally I would use the other section somewhere. Just because it's a little section, I should probably use it, but it doesn't make it on the layout. It was just too awkward and small to fit. So I am looking through a bunch of my other things. Obviously there's a lot of things I could use on this layout, and I don't know if I should use, the cut aparts or the stickers, because there's a lot of choices still in my kit, which I think is the problem with a lot of people when it comes to starting kits, especially new ones, that there's just too many choices. So as you can tell, I'm fiddling with a lot of different items. I've got some die cuts, an LA Studio label there at the bottom, this little tab, I don't remember what it says, but that's from Pink Fresh Studio. I pull out some of these stickers, which are from K & Company, that are so beyond old. And now I'm just going to start gluing things down because obviously I have too many choices and I need to start gluing down before I make a mess of my layout. So like I said, I pulled out that tab, bringing in more of that orange, because again, you can't really tell, but on that floral paper there are bits of orange on there. Pulling in another tag, sort of creating an L shape with my embellishments. really wanted to use this camera, but I ended up thinking that the black was too much for this layout. And then that little pink banner that's a puffy sticker says love you more, pulling in some more puffy hearts. There's just all sorts of stuff going on this layout. But as you can tell, sometimes it's just a matter of gluing things down to really get your layout to sort of come together. Because if you keep moving things around, you're just going to become more unhappy with it, or more frustrated with it. And here's where we start the flip through of the sticker book. Obviously, I adore this sticker book. It has been so great. I really enjoy it. Although I will say some of the clear stickers do not peel off well. I've been having a lot of trouble with stickers peeling off the backing, which is just a tiny bit annoying. But I've been making it work nonetheless. I do pull out that sticker and I do not end up keeping it. I just peel it right back off. I did not like it very much. And then here I accidentally stumbled upon my title. This is a clear sticker that says my weekend is all booked. And I just thought that would be fun because we do try to, plan things for the weekend. It also gives an organic shape to the top right corner there, whereas before I was just going to do another horizontal strip sort of cluster. And back with the sticker book, I'm looking at the clear stickers, the cardstock stickers, all of the stickers that match this color scheme. Luckily, there are so many different colors in this sticker book that it could match almost any color scheme. It's a lot of pastels mixed with brights, which is a very unique color scheme for a whole sticker book, I'd think. Another little sticker there. We're just putting all sorts of stickers on here. But I am trying to accent that red and orange since I did bring it in. I want to make sure that I keep bringing it in so it looks a little bit more cohesive. So I just brought in a yellow word strip and then another yellow word strip, again bringing in those colors to make sure it all matches. But this layout is almost complete. We're going to add some more heart puffy stickers here. I think those kind of help complete the layouts. But let me know if you guys have any questions about this layout. I definitely enjoy using some of my older supplies up here as well as some newer ones. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have some close-ups here at the end in case you guys are interested. I originally thought I was going to do a secondary title, which is why I pulled out these red basic gray stickers, but they're clearly not the right shade of red. I definitely need a raspberry for it to work. And I was going to do a second title, but I end up just going with that to be my title. But again, just some hearts to finish it off, and that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you want, you can click the little red notification bell so you always know when I upload. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.